All right, moving on to the next video. In the previous video, I have guided you all how can you do the manual creation of the text entity and what you should do to map to your customer and so on. In this video, I will show another way on how can you prepare for the text entity. So this is a special function that is developed by AutoCount. It's also a convenient way for you to request the text information from your customer. So looking at my screen, in my debtor maintenance, I have a customer called Jason Senjambahat. So when I look into this customer, I don't have this person or this company text entity yet. So I can make use of the function in AutoCount, which is just beside getIn from AIP server to request for the text entity from this customer. So what can I do is I just click on this getIn from AIP server. Okay. Usually, if it's first time, we will request for the company text information. So I can just click for this. So this is basically your email. This is the customer email. So we just click the get link. It will ask you and it will prompt you and it will generate a link. So just click yes. So this link you can just copy, all right? That you send it to this customer. You can send it through your WhatsApp, you can send it to the email, WeChat, whichever way you want. Okay. So after your customer receives this link, and once they click on this link, so I use the browser, I paste. Imagine the customer is clicking into this link, it will go into this page. Okay, so the customer will have to fill in the company tax information as per requested. So your customer will fill in accordingly. So for example, imagine now I'm the customer, I will fill in all this info. Okay, okay. For those that don't have, you can just leave it blank or type NA is okay. Okay, I'll just choose not applicable. So this one, the address, postcode, city, state, Selangor, country, Malaysia. And your customer has the right to say if they want to share the company information to any other AutoCount user. By default, this is not ticked. Okay, if it's not ticked, it's only shared to the sender. Okay, the person that sends a link to this customer, the customer fill in, then the information is only shared to the sender. If the customer itself tick on this one, other people will be able to search this uh, customer as well. Okay, so let me show you by ticking this first. So I click submit. So email verification will be required from this Gmail. So the customer has to go into the email and look for the verification code. Okay, so we switch to my Gmail account. Okay, the customer Gmail account. You will see that the person will receive an email verification. So the customer just need to copy this and put it here to verify and submit. So after a few seconds, this verification code will validated and submit all this information to the receiver. So as a receiver, uh, I will receive an email to say that, oh, your customer Jason had already filled the tax information for you. So what you need to do next is you go back to your accounting software. Okay. So you can get in again from EIP. So the customer team will automatically appear for you, which is the tax entity. As you can see, these are all the information that I already keyed in just now. So you can just click save. Okay, and this one is because I'm using a fake TIN number lah, so it will prompt a warning for you to say this TIN number is not validated by LHDN. But if you are providing the actual TIN number, this message will not appear. So for now, I'll just click yes, and I will just save, and then you are done with the tax entity. It will also automate it for you over here. Okay. And I would also like to show you if let's say I log in into another company. For example, this one is a training. This company is training. Okay, so I log in into another company. Give me a moment. Okay, so we log in into this another company is a S. Okay, this is company S. So I can go to the debtor maintenance. Okay, and let's say I create a new customer called Jason Sanjam Berhad, and I can click on this get in from AIP server. So I can search, and I am able to search the exact same information that is filled by this Jason Sanjam Berhad, which is previously for the other company. So I can just highlight this result and click add. As you can see, these are the information that is being keyed just now. Okay, and then just click save. Again, it will be automated to you and you save it. And that is how can you make use of this AutoCount getting from AIP to easily request the tax information from your customer.